Alright, let's see. Oh, what is this? I think we have to zoom out. What is this? Oh, hey, this is the wrong image. Okay, let's go forward. 1. Alright, let's take a look. Ah! Oh, these are creepy. This is nightmare fuel. Now these are actually marine hatchetfish. If you're familiar with keeping fish, you might know that you can have freshwater hatchetfish in an aquarium actually. But these are deep sea marine hatchetfish, also known as sternotitane. These small fish can reach up to 3 inches in length. Look at them, they're kind of cute. I like them. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh, they're cute. They're really cute. They can be found in tropical seas worldwide at depths of 1,300 up to, down to, I guess, 4,000 feet. So not as deep as the other creatures we've been looking at, but still fairly deep. They're kind of funny looking. I thought I had a different picture of them, but I had a different picture of them. Where'd it go? Hey, Bubba, can you pull up the other picture of the marine hatchetfish, please? Let's see. This one. This one. Alright, let's pull it up. Thank you, Bubba. Let's see. Ah! They're funny looking. I like them. If I could have these in an aquarium, I would. But I wonder how you could, like, simulate deep sea pressure. It's probably maybe impossible. I don't know. I'm sure the scientists are working on it. Alright, let's read a little bit more about the hatchetfish. Hatchetfish are well camouflaged. Like many deep sea fishies, they have light-producing organs. Let's see if I can show you. Light-producing organs along their belly. Probably, I'm assuming either down here or along here. I want to see them lighting up. These organs shine a pale blue light that matches daylight filtering down from above and hides them from predators below, such as the barrel-eye fish, perhaps. Actually, I think the barrel-eye fish is much deeper. Maybe not. Their diet mostly consists of tiny crustaceans and plankton. This use of bioluminescent light is called counter-illumination, a common adaptation in midwater fishes and cephalopods. Some midwater predators hunt by looking up for the silhouette of animals. Counter-illumination makes hatchetfish almost invisible from below, since they blend in. Oops, wrong way. Ah! Yeah, I can kind of see that. They like kind of look like the water behind this hand. It'd be pretty hard to see them. I like them. Yeah, they're like cloaking. They have an invisibility cloak. I like it. They're really cute. Even their weird faces like this are really cute to me. Look at their eyeballs. They look so squishy. And look, they got little noses. Ah, I'm help. Pug, 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 pug. I like them. Alright. Bubba. Bubba, stop touching the knobs. Bubba! Hold on, let me try to fix it. Alright, so let's see what we have next. Oh. What's this fuzzy looking boy? Oh. Can you guys guess what it is from this? Oh. There we go. Fix the knobs. A crab! That's right, it's a type of crab known as the yeti crab. These crabs are pretty rare because they're found in a very, very particular spot of the ocean. The yeti crab, also known as kiwa hirsuta. These crabs were discovered in 2005 on a hydrothermal vent, which is a fissure on the sea floor with geothermally heated water discharge. These vents are usually found near volcanically active places. Now, this is found in a very particular spot around Easter Island where there's some volcanic activity down below. Yeti crabs are blind deep-sea creatures. That's right, they can't see. There's actually a type of tetra that are found in caves that are also blind, like this. They don't have any eyes, and they just have some heightened senses to help them capture food. Yeti crabs have long legs which are covered in long, pale yellow hairs. It was clearly named after its likeness to the fabled abominable Yeti. Abominable, is that how you say it? A Yeti. Obviously, Yeti's not real, probably. I mean, that's what the government tells us. But, yeah, this is what they were named after, the Yeti, because they're fuzzy, and they're pretty pale, and they're kind of cute. I like this image of them. Look like little ticks. These are the same, right? I believe they're the same. Maybe not. Maybe this is not the same. Yeti, to my knowledge, is not real. I've done some investigation. Trust me, I know some mythical creatures. Let's see. They have been found at depths of 7,000 feet and reach about 6 inches in length. They're also known to live around 10 to 20 years. Oh, that's actually kind of a long time. Wow. Kind of a long time for a crab. Scientists saw the crab eating mussels that were cracked open. They also saw Yeti crabs holding their hairy claws out over the plumes of warm water from hydrothermal vents. Because of the crab's arms and arm hairs, it supports a large colony of filamentous bacteria. Scientists speculated that the crabs might be farming the bacteria, perhaps as a source of food. I couldn't find much on their breeding behaviors or anything like that, but that is pretty interesting. Yeah, there's a few different types of lobsters, or I guess shellfish, shrimp, that you can have in your home aquarium, which are filter feeders. And usually those hairs act as a way to capture, either small organisms or what's it called? Detritus, I believe, waste, pretty much, in a tank, or not just in a tank, but in the ocean, and they feed off of it. I want to talk about more of those types of shrimp and stuff, but I'll save it for another one. Actually, the next nature review, which I think we'll do next week, will probably be about symbiotic relationships. Do you think maybe me and you, teammates, maybe we have a symbiotic relationship? Oh. So I think I personally I have a few favorite symbiotic relationships that I wanted to talk about next week, which include me and teammates. But yeah, so anyways, yeah, it uses its hairs to capture stuff. Who knows what lives down there, Large amount of copepods. Copepods. Oh, oops, sorry. Anything else? Oh. I had let's see. I had way more, but I wanted to collect really in-depth information about them, especially because it's kind of hard. Some places don't have all the information about them. But let's take a look next at the vampire squid, which I believe is not actually a squid or an octopus, but they are quite beautiful. Let's take a look. Bubba, pull up the vampire squid. Oh. Here we go. Down. They're so cute. I like an umbrella. It looks like an umbrella. There has to be an umbrella, a real umbrella that looks like this, right? scientists have designated the vampire squid as a completely separate animal, not a squid or an octopus. Nor squid nor octopus. A single taco. This summer. So they have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. It's interesting. Interesting. They're funny looking. I wonder if we can find some footage of them swimming. Let's see. I believe Bubba has this in his library. Let's take a look. Right, we have live footage here at the Watson Labs of a vampire squid. Here it is. Oh, and it's got spiky spikes underneath there. Oh, I don't think they're that sharp, but let's take a look. Let's learn a little bit more. That's nightmare fuel. Let's learn a little bit more. Look how it curled in. Let's learn a little bit more about vampire squids. Okay. They are also known as Vampirotheus infernalis. Oh, interesting. Let's see. Obviously, you know, it's called vampire squid, but it doesn't suck or drink blood. It gets its name from a dark color and the skin that connects the arms, resembling a cape, as you guys can see. Easier to see in the other image. Let's bring that back. It's like a cape. Or, yeah, it does look like a cape. Like bat wings. They're cute. Let's see. Oh. The species look rather intimidating with its spiky-looking appendages under the tentacles. It uses these to feed on plant and animal matter that sinks to the surface of the ocean. Some large fish and diving predators are known to actually eat vampire squids. Oh. Unlike shallow water squids and octopuses, vampire squids do not expel black ink to escape predation. Oh, in the darkness of the mesopelagic zone. I'm assuming this is a certain depth. Let's see. Mesopotamia. Dun, 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 dun. A layer of the oceanic zone lying beneath the epipelagic zone and above the bathypelagic zone. A depths usually between 200 and 1,000 meters, which is 656 feet to 3,280 feet. Oh, good to know. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, so because it's so dark at this depth, the ink wouldn't even be effective in the first place because, you know, usually that sort of ink is usually meant to hide their appearance and, you know, baffle predators and kind of create like a cloud so they can escape. Wouldn't really be effective at that depth, which is why they don't have it. Instead, the vampire squid expels a colorless substance that contains numerous particles of bioluminescent, light-producing material. These twinkling lights confuse predators. Wow, that's so cool! It just shoots out like bioluminescent cloud. I wonder if there's a... Bubba, can you pull up a bioluminescent cloud of the vampire squid? He's typing. Yeah, it's like a flashbang, yeah. Well, it's like a smoke and a flashbang put together. This must be something that is pretty difficult to capture as it's such a unique behavior. It doesn't seem like there's much footage of this, but it's just I guess it's just not. I mean, there must be. They're cute. I like them. They're kind of creepy looking though, like underneath. Let's see underneath again. There it is. Get this crab out of here. Oh, spooky! And ow! The pressure of the deep ocean is messing with me. Let's see, what else? In addition to the light produced during their defense response, the flashbang cloud. The vampire squid produces a light at the tip of their arms. Oh, this light may be used as a form of communication. Obviously, it seems like it's not known for sure. With deep-sea creatures, it's kind of hard to observe them. As this species is naturally rare, encounters between males and females do not happen very often. For that reason, it's important they produce when given the chance, and females are known to store the packets. Like before, you know, we talked about this before, the packets of the, you know, the stuff from the males for long periods before using it to fertilize their eggs. Similar to the Dumbo octopus, they, you know, they hold the little Ziploc baggie for when it's, you know, the time is right. Yeah, again, it's, you know, the same thing with so many deep-sea creatures. It's hard to observe them in their natural environment, so not too much is known about their behavior. Really cool looking stuff, though.